Hi, this is Dr. Isha from Mumbai, and I attended Dr. Bhavdeep sir's practice management workshop, which was held online in July 2023. And I should say that it has been the best decision that I took for my clinic. In the workshop, I understood various aspects which about practice management which were not taught anywhere to me, and I had no understanding, or even I think the basics of that they existed in how to manage the clinic. By the end of the workshop, now, like when I'm practicing, I have a a crystal clear understanding of how to manage things, what could have been going wrong, and how to overcome those shortcomings. It was a 2 day, 9 hour to 10 hour workshop, and I must say that there wasn't any time that sir's energy went down, or he made you feel that, oh, it's a boring thing. It was one of the best workshops that I've attended, where I was as much interested in the workshop as much my mentor. So that was hats off to sir that he keeps you engaged till the very end of the workshop. And one more thing that I would want to add is the one-on-one session that he gave us, which was a blessing to me, where I could patiently tell him and he patiently understood my problems, my practice issues that I was going through, and he very calmly explained me, understood my problems, and gave me solutions for those problems. So I'm really thankful to sir for that, and just very glad that I could attend this workshop and be a part of this community that he has created. I would definitely recommend to all my friends who are practicing right now that they should definitely do this workshop, and anyone who is thinking of starting or is currently running should definitely once have this exposure to his workshop and understand how a practice runs. Thank you so much, sir, for everything.